What is good, guys? Today we're gonna do a little market review on NQ on a daily and 4-hour chart. So looking previously, we can see there's been a lot of chop, but we're still being in an uptrend. You know, if one tip I would say is that keep your analysis as simple as you can. You're still just putting drawings on a chart. There's nothing, really. I wouldn't say coherent, but just keep it simple. Don't get too crowded in the lines and stuff like that. So if we look at the daily, let's go back on the daily. We had this deep retracement back into that new day open gap that we had, new week actually, new week opening gap, and we're still kind of like messing around in it. I think we're going to be chopping around a lot in this little range that we're going to be forming right there. Accumulating some internal liquidity before pushing up higher to those highs. But let's see that. Nothing much. I mean, we have this little another new week opening gap actually. Just mark it out. So new week opening gap. So we get the closing price on Friday and the opening price on Monday. 4 hour, it's still looking pretty solid. We do have some minor sell side letting down there, but that low has been taken, so let's see how we react from it. I was expecting higher prices with the morning session. Unfortunately, took a loss. Clean inversion gap that we had. I'll show it later, but really really beautiful entry. We have laying buy side up here, even more buy side, all low resistance, all lower highs, lower highs, lower highs. So we're definitely keeping those for later. I don't think we'll be getting down to this low though. I'm pretty sure we're gonna go back somewhere near equilibrium or probably this gap down there. Also this little order block laying here too, so it would be a nice area for it to maybe retrace to and look for an entry. But as of so far, I would say if we are in a retrace, and we see it getting back down to that low, this would be a really, really great opportunity to look for buys. If you're trading anything above the, hourly chart or, entering above those time frames, it would be very ideal to see maybe a little sweep and then push up higher. But looking up for that low, sorry. If we get down there, maybe you look for a buy and maybe target this buy side up here. I'm gonna mark right there. So I think the first draw we'll be looking for is this, and eventually we'll be looking for a higher buy side up here. So that was it. Very little quick market review. Do with what you want with the information that I just gave you. And with that, have a great weekend.